Hey guys, it's Dr. Jerry Mills here. Hey, I wanted to invite you to our upcoming class, but before I do that I want to ask you a question. Is your diet making you sick? Well, if you're eating the standard American diet, SAD, the answer is yes. And so what we're going to be doing at this class is we're going to talk about what's going on in the media, the fad-chasing diets, the trends, all of those things. And we're going to actually talk about what's going to get you some real results when it comes to weight loss and to diet. We're not going to be doing a lot of supplementation or selling a lot of things. It's just going to be some cold hard facts of what a healthy diet actually looks like, what's the importance of a healthy diet. Obesity is at an all-time high right now, and if we keep doing what we've been doing, guess what we're going to keep getting? More of the same, right? We keep eating the standard American diet, and it's making us fat and sick. Obesity is the linchpin to pretty much every chronic disease that is out there, whether it's heart disease, diabetes, cancer, and one of my personal pet expert areas is arthritis, and there is one of the biggest impacts on that is weight and pressure. And so this class is going to be the foundation for pretty much every condition that comes into our clinic. And so if you've never been to one of our workshops before, get to this one. If you've been to all of them, get to this one. This one is, like I said, it's the foundational building block, and we're going to be going through what an actual healthy diet looks like, what our goals should be, what our objectives should be, and we're titling this class 15 pounds lighter or 15 pounds less in 15 weeks. And so I want you to just for a moment imagine what that's going to be like. What would your body feel like? What would it look like if you had 7 pounds less fat that you were carrying around? Or maybe 7 pounds more muscle that was holding you up. And you can do that, and it's really not rocket science, and it's not impossible. And we're going to show you kind of the step-by-step ways to do that and get the results that you've been looking for, without the fad diets, without a bunch of crazy stuff, without the yo-yoing up and down that most people experience. We're going to talk about why that occurs and how to head that off. And so I really, really want you to break the chains of the chronic disease pathways that most people are. I want you to achieve the ideal weight that you're looking for, the ideal body type that you're looking for, and most importantly, really, the ideal health that you're looking for. So please register for this class with the link below. I look forward to seeing everybody at this class. Invite a friend. Invite 2 or 3 friends. I hope to pack the house, because this really is, like I said, the most foundational, applicable workshop that we may be putting on. So join us. Look forward to seeing you. Be blessed and have a great day.